Welcome to Introduction to Small Business. This video will explain how to complete Google Classroom Assignment 2.02 U.S. Census Search. Go to your Classwork tab. You can view your incomplete assignments here under View Your Work, or you can go to Unit 2, where all of the assignments that begin with number 2 are listed. Here is 2.02 U.S. Census Data Search. It is a document that you will complete. Open the tab. There are different things here to support you. Let's go to our assignment first. View Assignment. Go to your workspace. Click to open your document where you will complete your assignment. There are directions here to follow, and then you will complete information in this chart. You will be looking for information that will be helpful about your business. So think about your customers. What demographic information do you want to know? Then you will go to this website to find information. In your Google Classroom, the link is right here. The link is also in your document for you to click on. When you get to the website, you will need to click Advanced Search. You will click the Filter Geography. You will click Place. You will scroll down to choose your state. I will choose Minnesota. Then you need to choose the city in Minnesota where you want the information for. St. Paul is where I want the information for, and it will take me a while to scroll all the way down to S. So be patient, and you will scroll down, 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 down. Minneapolis is another option if you are thinking of Minneapolis. We're almost there. RS. Okay, St. Paul, and it's a city, Minnesota. I put a check in the box, and then I need to find the search button. The search button is in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click Search. On the right top corner is the profile, and that will give you percents for a lot of different information, including population, income, education, etc. Here's the total population. Here are some other information that you can see quickly. You can click on the sidebar to go to different areas, for example, education. Here are different levels of education and the percent of people in Minnesota who are in each level of information. High school or equivalent, 21.1% of people in St. Paul have that level. 17.4 have some college, 7.8 have associate's degree, etc. Now, I'm going to use the back button to go back to the page before we clicked the profile. There are other tables that are very helpful. One table is the table that says age and sex. This gives you the number of people in St. Paul in each age category. For example, if I want to know how many adults are in Minnesota, I can find the years that are for adults. And you can see all of these different ages, and they separate them. So 35 to 39 is 22,418 people in St. Paul. Age categories. Under 18 is for kids, if you're focusing on kids. Otherwise, you can add up all of these categories to find all of the adults. Or you can find the total population, and you can subtract the under 18 years, and you will get adults. Now, I will write this information on my chart. So I'm going to do the subtraction. So 305,877. 305,877 minus 75. Let's do the minus. I want to find adults. 75,766. 75,776. So how many adults do I have in St. Paul? Who are my potential customers? I am using a calculator. And I find the number 230,101. Okay, if I'm correct. All right, and that is the number of adults in St. Paul. And that is helpful for me because that is my target customer. I can also look for the other information, but that is a good example of how to find some data for your assignment in Google Classroom 2.02 U.S. Census data.